Do you have a really nice camera but not sure what to do with it? Do you put your camera on auto and hope for the best? Have you heard of aperture, shutter speed, ISO, composition, exposure triangle, white balance and other words that have left you thinking, where do I start? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm Rachel Sinclair and I've been teaching photography for over 10 years, leading groups and personalised one-to-ones in the UK and Africa. I'm the highest rated photography tutor in Sheffield and I guarantee I can get you off auto in just one day. I'll teach you how to use apertures, shutter speeds and ISO in one workshop. My Getting Off Auto workshop has been carefully designed to help you learn how to take fantastic photos with your own camera. Whether you enjoy taking photos of your children, your dog, wildlife, landscape, architecture, or whatever interests you most, this workshop will unlock the photographer in you. Photography isn't complicated when it's explained well, so join me on a one-to-one or a small group workshop and I'll get you off auto. If you've got any questions, please email me, or better still, give me a call. I look forward to meeting you and helping you unleash your photographic potential.